Hello, little artists! Welcome back to another fun drawing lesson. Today, we're going to draw a cute dinosaurs. Let's begin by one big, shiny eye. Now draw a small, rounded head near the top of the page. From the head, draw a long curved line going down to create the dinosaur. Perfect! Draw a happy smile to make our dinosaur look friendly. Draw two long curved lines going down to create the dinosaur's long neck. Draw two thick front legs with rounded feet. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Now draw two strong back legs. Next, draw another curved line underneath to create the soft belly. Add little curved lines for the toes. Now draw highlights. Now, let's color it. Color the body light green, the belly light yellow-green, and the toes light yellow. Awesome job! Your cute long-necked dinosaur is finished. Next, start by drawing the eyes and one shorter horn on the nose. Add a smiling mouth and a tiny nostril. Draw the body. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Behind the head, draw a big wavy frill with gentle curves. Perfect! Connect the head to a large rounded body. Draw four short, sturdy legs with rounded feet. Add a short curved tail behind the body. Draw two long horns above the eyes. Draw a few oval spots on the dinosaur's back. Add little curved lines for the toes. Now draw highlights. Let's color it. Color the body bright orange, the feet gray, color the body bright orange, the horns white with gray shading, and the tail tip cream. Fantastic work! Your Triceratops looks amazing! Next, draw a large rounded head with a big smiling mouth. Draw one big eye, two small nostrils, and a cheerful smile. Perfect! Add two short little arms with three tiny claws. Draw two strong legs with large feet. Draw several curved stripes from the neck to the tail. Draw small claws on both the feet. Now draw highlights. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Now let's color it. Color the body green, the belly yellow, the stripes dark green, the claws bright yellow. Color the body green. Great job! Your friendly T-Rex is ready to roar. Next, start by drawing a small, rounded head with a curved beak. Add one big eye and a happy smile. Draw a short, curved neck connecting to the body. Add 4 sturdy legs with rounded feet. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Draw a long tail extending behind the body. Draw large leaf-shaped plates all along the dinosaur's back. Great job! Add 4 sharp spikes at the end of the tail. Draw a few small oval markings on the back. Now draw highlights. Beautiful! Now, let's color it. The tail spike's gray. the belly light cream, color the body bright orange, the backplate's bright red. Congratulations! Your colorful Stegosaurus is complete. Make it fun! Keep practicing your drawing skills and don't forget to use your favorite colors. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your drawing with us.